Welcome to this technical guide on the Lenovo Yoga 920. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Lenovo Yoga 920 won't turn on, it can be frustrating and concerning. This issue may arise from a faulty battery, a malfunctioning power button, or internal hardware problems. If left unresolved, it could lead to further damage and prevent you from using your device altogether. To fix this, we will need a few tools: a small Phillips screwdriver, a plastic opening tool, a spudger, and a replacement battery if necessary. First, ensure the device is powered down and unplugged. Begin by carefully inserting the plastic opening tool into the seam around the laptop's base. Gently pry it open, taking care not to damage the casing. Once opened, locate the battery. It's usually a rectangular component situated towards the center of the device. Check for any loose connections or signs of damage. If the battery appears faulty, gently disconnect it by unscrewing the screws holding it in place. Be sure to apply even pressure when removing screws to avoid stripping them. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Once the old battery is removed, replace it with the new one, making sure to connect the cable securely. Reassemble the device by snapping the base back into place, ensuring all clips are engaged. Finally, power on your Lenovo Yoga 920 to check if it turns on successfully. If it does, congratulations! You've completed the repair. To prevent this issue from occurring in the future, regularly check your device's battery health and try to keep it charged within a safe range. It's also a good idea to avoid exposing your laptop to extreme temperatures, which can affect battery performance. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.